Our eyes help us see the world, from reading books and playing games to watching cartoons and looking at our loved ones. That's why taking care of our eyes every day is just as important as brushing our teeth or eating healthy food. When we use screens too much, like phones, tablets, or computers, our eyes can become tired, dry, and even blurry. To protect your vision, you should follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. This little break gives your eyes time to relax, especially if you're doing homework or watching something on a screen. It's also important to sit at the right distance from your screen, not too close and not too far. About an arm's length is perfect. Try to use screens in places with good lighting, so your eyes don't have to work too hard in the dark or with too much glare. When you're outside on sunny days, wearing a hat or sunglasses with UV protection can help shield your eyes from harmful rays. Eating colorful fruits and vegetables like carrots, spinach, sweet potatoes, and blueberries gives your eyes the vitamins they need. Getting enough sleep every night also helps your eyes rest and recover after a long day of learning, playing, and exploring. Rubbing your eyes with dirty hands can cause irritation or infection, so always wash your hands and avoid touching your face too much. If your eyes ever feel itchy, blurry, or uncomfortable, tell a parent or teacher so they can help you or take you to the eye doctor. Visiting the eye doctor once a year, even if your eyes feel fine, helps make sure your vision is strong and healthy. If you wear glasses, remember to clean them gently and keep them in a safe place when you're not using them. Try to balance screen time with outdoor time. Running, playing, and using your eyes to look far away helps keep them strong. Example, a Smart Vision Heroes Day. Emma, a 9-year-old girl, loves reading books and drawing on her tablet, but she always remembers to take eye breaks every 20 minutes. After doing her homework on the computer, she takes a walk outside, looks at the trees, and plays with her dog in the fresh air. At lunch, Emma eats carrots and sweet corn, and she drinks lots of water to stay healthy and hydrated. In the evening, she watches a short cartoon while sitting at a good distance. And when her mom says it's bedtime, she happily turns off the screen and gets her rest. Emma is proud because she knows she's not just having fun, she's also taking great care of her amazing eyes every single day.